Hi, I'm Arganne.
And we're Madelyn.
And welcome to Swanson. This is our room. So next to the door, we have this Creighton provided shelf that we use to hold all of our shoes. And then next to that, we have our trash can, also provided by Creighton. And then coming back into here, this is my bed. We have a mattress, obviously Creighton provided. And then we have a desk with a chair, and then this dresser over here, which was provided by Creighton as well. I added some extra storage back there, some small drawers for myself. And then over here is our closet. This is shared between two of us. There's some shelves up top, and then just the two layers, the two racks. And then this is the other end of the room. We have another bed with the same desk and chair setup and the small dresser, and then she has some additional shelving as well. And then we have this shelving over here where we have our drink station, and then we also have some snack carts. And then Creighton provided the fridge and the microwave for us. And then we're over here to the last bed, and we have all the same things. And then over here we have a Creighton provided little dresser with two shelves. And then over here we have a large dresser, and this is where we keep our toiletries and stuff. And then it's right next to our sink that we have in our room, as well as our medicine cabinet. And then this is a smaller trash can. We use it for recycling. And then over here is into the bathroom, and they also provided the shower curtain, but we did add a liner. And then in it we got also the black little shelves are Creighton provided. Thanks for stopping by our room.
Go Blue Jays!